In this guide, we will explore how to easily integrate security and privacy testing into your mobile application pipeline builds using the Ostorlab Jenkins plugin. To do so, simply follow the steps. The first step is to generate a new API key. In your organization dashboard, click the menu button. Next, click Library to expand, and choose API keys. From here, click New. Copy the API key. You can also add a name and an expiry date to your key. Don't forget to click the Save button to save your key. From the main Jenkins dashboard, click the Add Credentials button. In the Kind drop-down list, select Secret Text. Enter API key in the ID field. Enter your API key in the Secret field. Enter a description to identify the key, and click Create. To define Jenkins job in your freestyle project, follow the next steps. In your build environment, add a secret text binding to your Jenkins project configuration and enter the following information. Add a Run Ostorlab Security Scanner build step to your Jenkins project configuration, and enter the following information: the full path to the mobile application file that you want to scan. Click on Advanced Settings to configure your run. Enter the scan title. Select whether the platform is Android or iOS. Select the scan profile to run. You can choose between Fast Scan for rapid static analysis or Full Scan for full static, dynamic and backend analysis. Wait for results, which suspend the job until security analysis completes or times out. Max wait time, in minutes. Duration to wait before the job times out. Break build on higher security risk threshold. If selected, the Jenkins job will fail if the findings risk equals or exceeds the specified thresholds. Security risk threshold. Minimum risk threshold that will cause a build to fail. Credentials to be used during the dynamic testing. The name corresponds to the ID or the label of the field in the view. For example, username or password. The value corresponds to the input to type in the field. Kick off your mobile builds and you will see the scan risk in the artifacts folder. Additionally, you can do the integration in the case of Jenkins pipeline also. Here a sample step to run the scan. The list of parameters supported are: the file path parameter is mandatory, requiring the entry of the mobile application's path. Additionally, the API key parameter is crucial for authenticating API requests. To customize the analysis, the scan profile parameter allows you to choose between Fast Scan for rapid static analysis or Full Scan for a comprehensive examination involving static, dynamic, and backend analysis. Specify the mobile platform with the platform parameter, choosing between Android or iOS. For additional control, the Wait for Results parameter, if used, suspends the job until the security analysis completes or times out. The Wait Minutes parameter sets the duration before the job times out. Optionally, you can use Break Build on Score to make the step fail if the findings risk equals or exceeds specified thresholds. Adjust the risk threshold with the risk threshold parameter. And for dynamic testing, provide JSON credentials with the JSON credentials parameter. Finally, you can title the scan using the title parameter, which is also optional in this configuration. This guide covered the steps required to effectively integrate Ostorlab into your pipeline builds. Using this plugin, you can upload Android and iOS applications and perform static, dynamic and backend scans.